Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Akshay. I'm a student pilot, and I'm going to take you on a journey of becoming commercial pilot. So, in today's video, I'm going to give you a tour of my room. You can see what's inside a room of a student pilot. So, let's get started.
This is what we came here for.
So, this is where you enter inside my room. This is the main entrance to the room. As you enter, the first thing you will see a small center table, a sofa on the one side and a chair on the other side. This is my flight bag which I usually carry to my flying school. If you want to have a look inside my flight bag, then let me know in the comment section down below. This is my surge protector, as we only have one socket in the room, so all the cables are connected to this surge protector. As we move left of the main door, you can see a small TV and a setup box and all the main switches for fan and lights. This is my formal shoes, my sport shoes and one of the luggages that I brought with me. Now we move left of the TV and there's a full size mirror, and that's me. Hello everyone. Next to the mirrors, we have two cupboards. In one cupboard, I have put my things, and the other one is empty. So I'll show you the empty one from the inside. This is the empty cupboard from the inside, and we get hangers with the cupboard. Moving to the left, we have a small duffel bag, and here's an AC inside a room. There's comb, my deodorant, applets and my licenses, and there's a lock to keep my things safe. So this is the bed. It's a little messy, so please excuse that. That's my laptop, and that's the orange one is my pillow which I brought from my home. These two pillows are provided by the room which I don't use. Now I'll give you a full view of my room. Now let's go check out the washroom. The washroom is not attached, but it's personal for this room only. No one else from outside can use it. A lock and key has been provided for the washroom. Now let's go, we'll check out the terrace which is common for the whole floor. This is the terrace which is common for the floor, and this is where we put our clothes for drying. There are total 3 rooms on the floor, and that's our end of our room tour. Here we come to the end of our room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.